This year, Valentine's Day, February 14th, fell on a Friday. Determine what day of the week Valentine's Day was in 2023 and 2024. Use division with remainder to explain your answer, and note that 2024 was a leap year. Okay, so let's see. Valentine's Day in 2025 is a Friday. So February 14th, 2024, because this was part of, because a leap year happened between Valentine's Day 2024 and Valentine's Day 2025, there were 366 days between the two holidays. Okay, so Valentine's Day 2025 and Valentine's Day 2024 were 366 days apart because February 29th, 2024 is one of the days that's getting counted in between there. Okay, so there are 366 days between them. So we'll say before 2/14/2025. All right, so every 7 days, the day of the week repeats. So every time I go back 7 days, so I'm starting at February 14th, 2025, I'm just going to go back 7 days repeatedly. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days. Every 7 days, it's Friday again. Okay, so I want to take my 366 and divide by 7 and see how many weeks, how many sets of 7 days there are in 366. So I'm going to do the long division, and I go, okay, so 3 goes into 36 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get 1, bring down the 6. 7 times what? 7 goes into 16 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, and we have 2 left over. Okay, so I can now write this in another way. I can say February 14th, 2024 was 52 weeks and 2 days before February 14th, 2025. So going backwards from Valentine's Day 2025, we go back 52 weeks, and it's Friday, right? 52 weeks earlier, it's Friday, and then we got to go back 2 days more, and we'll be Valentine's Day again. Okay, so we can say 52 weeks before February 14th, 2025 was also a Friday. And 2 days before that would have been a Wednesday. Was February 14th, 2024, a Wednesday. Okay, we're just going to repeat this process to find out when Valentine's Day was in 2023. Okay, so I'm just going to start by writing the same thing. So February 14th, 2023 was actually 365 days before February 14th, 2024. Okay, because there's no leap year in between those two dates. From February 14th, 2023 to February 14th, 2024, there's no February 29th in there. There's no leap year. So there's 365 days. So I want to know, I'm going to do my division, 365 divided by 7. How many weeks is that? How many weeks and how many days? So 7 goes into 36 5 times. We have 35, subtract. We get 1, bring down the 5. 7 goes into 15 twice. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract. Remainder is 1. So now, instead of saying it was 365 days before, we can say it was 52 weeks and 1 day before. So now we can say February 14th, 2023 was 52 weeks and one day before February 14th, 2024. Okay, so 52 weeks before would make it another Wednesday, because Valentine's Day in February in 2024 was a Wednesday. So 52 weeks before this date is also Wednesday, and then we got to go back one more day, so it would be a Tuesday. So February 14th, 2023 must have been a Tuesday.